Hello guys, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Today 26th July 2020 and we will see the gold US 500 dollar index, US oil, Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP New Zealand and cryptocurrency Bitcoin. So let's see starting from the gold. So this one is higher time frame, 1 day chart, and on higher time frame as discussed we are in a third wave. So let's see inside this wave in a 1 hour time frame. You can see on 1 hour time frame we are in a fifth wave. So this one is 1 2 running in third wave of the fifth wave. So let's see inside. Yeah, inside of this fifth wave, one, two, three, fourth, and fifth. So inside this one, two, three, four, and fifth. So this structure we have seen in a last week. Around $100 moves in a single week. Started from here around 1795. So you can see here. Yeah, this one is one, two, three, four, and this structure is fifth wave. ABC, ABC, this. This one is here 0 1. This is correction 2. This is 1 2 3 4 and fifth is running. So we have seen here ending diagonal in a fifth wave, ending diagonal. So we can see this one is started from 1847, 1 2 3 4 and fifth, and inside this fifth wave again somehow it is forming ending diagonal 1 2 3 4, and you may see fifth up to the 1919 or higher degree. So this one is main resistance around this line. Yeah, 19056, this one. So if we fail here then we may see downward move. If we close above this 1905 we may see a higher level around 1920 or 1932. So let's see the Fibonacci ratio starting from 0 to 3. So we may see this level 190214 or 1934. So first we have to close above this 1902, then bulls will get active for the next level 1914 and 1934. So let's see how gold behave in next week, but there is a chance to go higher level. is 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth, and this A, B, and C. Is there is a chance, but you have to alert because fifth wave may get filled also. So you have to be alert in this area between 1902 to 193234. We don't know where it will complete, but we forecast it will complete around 1914 or 1932. So this is the zone where you have to be alert around 1905, 1905 to 1932. And we may complete these all small waves here. 935. And if we fail or rejection this area, then we may see a downfall up to the 1845. So this is then buying interest zone here, 1845. So this area is important for next week. Let's see what happens next week. Now see US 500. See, this one is US 500. It has started the 5 impulse move from the 2195. So we can see this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth is running. And correction of the first wave is around 38.2 to 50 and 50 percentage to 38 point, and correction of the third wave is around 38.2 percentage. So both are shallow correction. So there is a chance to fifth wave is extended. So let's see the fifth wave. So target of this fifth wave is around 3328, or it is 61.8 percentage, which is now, and inside of this impulse, 5 impulses like this: 1, 2, 3, around 3361, 4, and fifth. So till the US 500 is not bearish, this is also the bullish view is intact. And if these small waves, let's see the Fibonacci ratio around this. See, this is the 1, 2. The third wave may complete around 3361. Then we may see a correction and fifth wave. Okay, guys. And next, so keep in mind these levels. These level may fail around double three triple three two also. So you have to be alert here because here the 38.2 percentage is complete. So either it may third wave complete here or here, and we may see like 3, 4, and fifth round complete here. So This is how US 500. Next, dollar index. As we discussed earlier, the dollar index in bear grip. So A, B, and C. This is the 335 structure. So this one is ABC, ABC, and this one is 5. So one, 2, 3, 4, and fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth may complete around this area. 93.02. Fifth. So this DXY and Euro USD is inversely proportional. Till the DXY going down, Euro USD going up. So this is the level there this downfall may get close. 93.02. Now you can see Euro USD. This one is A, B, and C. So same structure as discussed in DXY. This is the A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth is running. So fifth wave is extended here. We may see this wave complete nearly 1.18400. So this is the bullish intact. US oil. See US oil. Sun started from here, one around $18, and correction $10. Then third wave is around 40. So the ratio of these nearly between 223 to 261, and fifth wave is running as the ending diagonal. So you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth may complete near 42.65. Then we may see a downfall. This it is pound dollar. So the waves is started from the 1.14 200. So this is how teeny waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is 1. This is the correction A, B, C second, and we are in a third wave. So inside this third wave, this is the 1, 2, and 3. So this third wave is complete nearly between 1.31 to 1.34. So this is a bullish view. We should not sell at any levels in this pound, because third wave is always swift and very fast. Same structure in pound New Zealand. can see it has break the trend line, and now going in same structure, 1 2 3 4 5. It's like, yeah, 0 1 2 3 4 and fifth. Cryptocurrency Bitcoin. See, this is how I label. This is one, two, three, fourth is running. This is the complex correction, and fifth may complete nearly 0 to 3. Fourth is complete around 9,000, and we are in a fifth wave. So the target of this fifth wave is 11,100 to 12,460. So this is the bullish view. We should not sell at any levels Bitcoin. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understand this video. And this is the Elliott wave analysis. If you like my videos, you can share it, subscribe it, and hit the bell icon for the next update, and you will get notification. Thank you.